my name is Kimberly with the Lavender House, and congratulations, you just received a cut flower bouquet from us. So one of the things we're gonna wanna do is to fill a clean, disinfected vase with clean tap water. We find that no flower food keeps the water cleaner for longer, so then every 2 to 3 days, emptying the water and cleaning it. But first things first, let's get your flowers unpacked. Typically, you'll have a bouquet that's mostly designed and ready to go into a vase, and we understand that you might want to do some designing and arranging yourself. If you want to, just try to see how it would work. If you take the height of the vase, make sure that you kind of measure. You can't grow them back once they've been cut. We're gonna wanna cut at a little bit of an angle just to make sure that the flowers are getting a good drink. It's the same thing, like I say, if you have a Slurpee straw versus a regular straw. So cutting at an angle will help the flowers get a good drink. And then place them in your vase and see if you need to tweak anything.